The Flipgrid Shorts camera is a standalone camera that you as a teacher can use to create quick videos for your students. I've been experimenting with a few ways that you can use this in the music classroom, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create follow the bouncing ball style videos using the whiteboard, an imported image and the Flipgrid stickers. First of all, you're going to need to type out the lyrics. You can use Google Docs or Microsoft Word for this, or you can make something that looks a little bit prettier in software like Canva, like I've done here. A couple of notes about this. It can be useful to type hyphens between each of the syllables, the way that you would see lyrics printed in sheet music. This makes it easier to point to each one later on, but if you think it will be confusing for your students, just type them out normally. I chose to create mine landscape style with the dimensions of a presentation file, like in a PowerPoint or a Keynote presentation. Now this is so that it will fit into the Flipgrid camera screen nicely in a moment, but again, it's not totally necessary. Once you've done that, you need to save the lyrics as a PNG or JPEG file. You can either export the document in one of those formats, or you can take a screenshot and save it into one of those formats that way. After that, log into Flipgrid and go to the Shorts menu. Click on Record a Short to open the Flipgrid camera, and then click on the whiteboard option so that you get a white background to go behind your lyrics. This is not totally necessary if your lyrics image can be resized to fit the entire screen, but it can be useful if your lyrics image is in portrait style. Next, import your lyrics image. Click the photo sticker button and navigate to the place you saved your lyrics image. Then resize that image on the screen to make it as large as possible. Lastly, you'll choose a Flipgrid sticker to act as your pointer. Click on the sticker menu button and then look for a sticker to use. You can browse through the options or search for something specific in the menu, and if you're not quite sure what to use, you can always just use an emoji face. Resize the sticker so that it fits well within the lyrics on your screen. Now, one really important thing is if you click off the sticker that you've selected to be your pointer to deselect it, it's going to end up behind your lyrics image. I've done this a number of times and it's disappeared on me, so don't click off the pointer sticker. Don't worry about the handles at the corners of your pointer sticker. They actually won't be seen in your final video and they will probably disappear once you've hit the record button anyway. So click record and then sing your song, and as you're singing, move the pointer sticker along to each syllable by using your mouse.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are,
Click pause when you finish singing, and then click the next button. Flipgrid will play back your recording and you can check it to see if you're happy. You can then add another video clip if you like, and that could be you talking to the students, or it could be a second verse of the song that you're doing, or you can just move on by clicking next. Snap your selfie and decorate it with stickers if you like. Then click next to finish off. Once your video has finished processing, you can go into the video to find the sharing options. You can send the link or a scannable code to students for them to see the video, or you could upload it directly to Teams or Google Classroom or Remind. You can even download your video if you want to share it somewhere else like YouTube. One last tip, don't forget that you could actually set this as an assignment for your students to do. Set up a Flipgrid topic which asks students to create their own bouncing ball videos. They could either use a lyrics image that you've created ahead of time, or they could make their own image as part of the assignment.